Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to make a deposit into your account. If you're expecting to receive a dividend, a distribution, or income from one of your assets in your account, then it's a two-step process. The first step is to log into your online portal. Then you want to scroll down and look for the quick links box and click on delivery instructions. Then you want to send this document to the investment. Since we're not a bank, unfortunately, we cannot pull the funds from our end, so they actually have to initiate and push the funds out to us. They can send the funds via ACH, wire, or check. ACH is free, wire is $30, and there's no fee to deposit a check. And you do not have to complete this form either. This is just only for your information. So that's the first part of it. The second part is to go back to the online portal. Then in the same quick links box, we can want to go ahead and click on fund account. And on this page, we want to scroll down and look for this deposit coupon form right here. Then you'll have to complete this form and either email, fax, or mail it to us. A couple things to note on this form is in section 2, depending on what type of asset it is, will depend on what subsection you'll complete. So if it's a property, if the funds are coming from a property, then you want to complete section 2B. If the funds are coming from a private equity, then 2C. If the funds are coming from an unsecured promissory note, then 2D. And one last thing here in section 3, you actually don't have to complete this subsection here under ACH payment notice, all this information. In section 3, we just really need the dollar amount, if it's a check, wire, or ACH, and the sender's name. Once you complete this form and once we receive the funds, we'll deposit them, and that's how you make a deposit.